Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all today? Yes. So today I'm here to have some fun and learning activities. So are you all ready? Yes. So raise your hand, wiggle your fingers so I can know that you all are well, fine and healthy. Yes, and this is a silent hug from me to you all. So before we start our day, we will start with a welcome song. Yes? Okay, so are you all going to sing along with me? Right? Okay, let's start. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you all today? How are you all today? Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hello my boys. Hello my girls. How are you all today? How are you all today? Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hello Anjika. Hello Vivan. Hello Devina. Hello Kabir. Hello Vainavi. Hello Arush. Hello Aaron. How are you all today? How are you all today? Hello Param. Hello Ratan. Hello Nihit. Hello Ananya. Hello Lavya. Hello Sadiksha. Hello Mukda. Hello Araf. How are you all today? How are you all today? Hello Elias. Hello Sanvi. Hello Rudra. Hello Sayesh. Hello Satvik. Hello Jaydeep. Hello Mayank. Hello Advika. Hello Swanand. Hello Devina. How are you all today? How are you all today? Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yay! Okay, so now after this, what do we have? We have SEW. So we all know, yes, what S stands for? S stands for special skill of the day. So what is the special skill of the day? So today we have, you all are going to water the plants at home. Okay everyone? Yes. And now we have everything to do with day, date and month. Yes. So what is the day today? Today is Thursday. What is the date today? Today is 2/5/25. Now which month is going on? June. And June is the 6th month of the year. Which year is going on? 2020. How do we write the date? We will write 2/5/25, then month, and then the year. Okay, so which month is going on? The 6th month, and year is 2020. Alright, and now W. So what does W stands for? It's for weather. So how is your weather outside? Let me know. I have a cloudy day. How's your weather outside? Yay! Nice! Okay. So after SEW, now what do we have? We have a rhyme time. Yay! So now we are going to do some rhymes. So the first rhyme we have is water cycle. It's raining, it's pouring, it's raining, it's pouring. The oceans are storing water from the falling rain while thunder clouds are roaring. It's raining, it's pouring. The oceans are storing water from the falling rain while thunder clouds are roaring. The rain is now stopping. The rain is no longer dropping. The sun comes out and soak up water like the mop that's mopping. It's the water still there now, but hidden in the air. But hidden in the air. In the cloud it makes a home, but until the rain is here to share. Okay, so now the next rhyme is about the rain. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining today. Peter patter, it's raining today. The earthworm is wiggling today. Wiggling, 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 it's wiggling today. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining today. Peter patter, it's raining today. The frog is hopping today. Peter patter, it's raining today. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining today. Peter patter, it's raining today. The peacock is dancing today. Dance, dance, dance is dancing today. Peter patter, it's raining today. Yay! And now we have clean up song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to clean up where you are. Put each toys back in its place. Keep a smile on your face. Yay! Superb! Right, everyone. Yay! So after the rhyme, we will start with our numeracy. So before beginning with the numeracy, ma'am will tell you we will clap and we will tap on our laps. Okay? We will do the recitation from 0 to 100. Okay, everyone? Come on. Let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yay! So now what are we going to do is we are going to download the worksheet, right? Yes, so but ma'am will tell you how to do that worksheet. So in the worksheet it's written that we are going to count the holes in the number pattern tiles and circle the matching numbers. Okay, so the first number tile is how much? 20. So we will circle the number 20. The second number pattern tile is 10. So we will circle number 10. And third number pattern tile is 30. So we will circle the number 30. Yay! Okay, so now say everybody, good job. Yes, so this is how we will do our worksheet. Okay, parents can let them download it and ask them to do this worksheet from parents resources sheets. Yeah, okay. So now what we have is we have fun with games. So in that fun with games we have number games. So parents can write some numbers and some actions in those numbers. Like if 1 is there, you all can write clap. 2 is there, you all can write dance. 3 is there, you all can write snap your fingers. So like that, you all can write the numbers and some action and ask them to do those actions and see the number and do the actions too. Yes? Alright. So now in active exploration, what do we have is first we are going to What are we going to do is we are going to draw our favorite fruits. So what is your favorite fruit? Wow, nice. But do you all want to know about my favorite fruit? Wait. My favorite fruit is apple. Yes. So this is how you all are going in active exploration. You all are going to draw my favorite fruit. All right. Okay, everyone. And one more activity we have in active exploration, that is yoga time. And in yoga, what are we going to do? We have mountain pose. Yes. This is how we are going to do our mountain pose. All right, everyone. Wow. So everybody is going to practice the yoga at home. Okay. And now what are we going to do? Yes, it's time for UNW. So today, as our concept is all about water bodies, so today ma'am will tell you the uses of water. So can you all tell me what are the uses of water? Yes? Yes. So water uses are, we drink water, right? We need water to bath, we need water to wash our clothes, correct? We also need water to plants, even plants, because plants also need water. So we need water to pour them, right? हमको भी पानी चाहिए क्योंकि उनको पानी देना है हमें भी. Then we need water for cooking, washing, right? So these are the small uses of the water. And mainly we need water for what? Yes, we need water to drink. And I hope everybody is drinking water. Yes, you are going to drink one glass of water? Yes. All right. So now let's have a revision of the day. So what are the things we did today? First, we did our welcome song. Then we did everything with SEW, which is special skill of the day. What are you going to do? You are going to put water for the plants. You are going to pour water to the plants. Then we have done everything with day, date and month, correct? And we also know how was the weather outside. I had a cloudy weather, correct? Yeah. And then what do? We did some rhymes, right? We also did some, after rhymes, what did we do? We did numeracy. Yay! So in numeracy, what all we did? We did from recitation from 0 to 100. And ma'am also told you how to do the worksheet. And that we are going to do it after the video, watching the video, right? Yes. And then after the numeracy, what we did? Fun with games. Yes. So all are going to play that game that ma'am had told? Yes. And we also did active exploration. What all things we did? Yes, ma'am drew her favorite fruit. And even you all are going to do draw the favorite fruit, right? And we are also going to practice, the ma'am showed you the yoga pose. Yes, you all are also going to do that, your mountain yoga pose. And what else we did? In understanding my world, ma'am told you about uses of water, right? So we are not going to waste water anymore. We will do the uses of water. Okay? Yes. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow.